Hello, friends. My name is Kedar Mahapatra. Friends, there are billions of stars in the sky twinkling every night, covering the firmament over our head. But among all those twinkling stars, there are some magnificently illuminating, brightly lit stars which draw our attention, and we look at those stars admiringly. Similarly, friends, there are 3 crore students who appeared 10th and 12th boards in the month of March before pandemic, and the results came out yesterday, day before yesterday, in the last week. Friends, there are 30 million students has appeared 10th and 12th board exams. Out of them, few students have came out with flying colors whose name I think it is worth mentioning. The first one, friends, is Roshni Bhadoria. Roshni Bhadoria has made fame to the Chambal Valley of Madhya Pradesh for a bright cause for the first time in the history of Chambal Valley. Friends, by riding the bicycle 12 kilometers one way and coming back 12 kilometers to home every day for 6 days in a week, Roshni Bhadoria has got 98.5% and become one of the foremost toppers, merit rank holders of Madhya Pradesh board. Hats off to Roshni. One of a story which Roshni was telling before YouTube. I request all of you to go to the YouTube and see 15 years old Roshni giving interviews. And one day Roshni was going riding her bicycle and her bicycle got punctured. Whoosh! Roshni, what to do? Teacher, class is missing. Why Roshni's mind did not come. He pushed the bicycle and he run and he threw the bicycle and he attended the class. Hey, teacher asked, what happened, Roshni? You are panting. So you are the class topper. So you are the apple of everybody's eye. Everybody said, wow. Roshni said, ma'am, my bicycle got punctured in the midway. I did not have anything to my mind, so I pushed my bicycle and I ran along with my punctured bicycle and reached the class. And so the teacher said, Roshni, you do one thing. While you going back, you borrow my hand pump so that it is attached with a pipe, and whenever you want, if something happened, you go and do after this thing. And when the class is over, Roshni was coming out. One boy met Roshni and said, hey Roshni, if your bicycle got punctured in the midway, then instead of pushing the bicycle all the way, you could have kept the bicycle there and locked it and came running by yourself. Now, at least 2 labors you could have saved in one labor. Roshni said, wow, you are smarter than me. And no, Roshni, you are the smartest of all, but I am just making a fun of it. That was the challenges, Roshni. Joint family, poor farmer father, 3 times meal was a big deal. And the mother was the sari coming up to the forehead, the traditional, the mindset, the door coming systems, and all those women inside only meant for kitchen. That kind of, this society, in this society, Roshni came out with flying colors, got 98.5 flying colors, and he made the Roshni to the whole state of Madhya Pradesh. And friends, when journalists came and asked Roshni, what you want to become? Roshni said, I want to become an IAS officer. I want to go to the administrative officer and I want to serve my country in a better way. I want to do an IAS officer and I want to finish the gender disparity that is prevailing in the Indian society for time immemorial. And I want to stand for my cause. And friends, taking the shift from Madhya Pradesh to Ludhiana, Punjab State board topper Neha Verma, 15 years old, daughter of a truck driver. When Neha was appearing board exam, her truck driver father went and asked her boss, I want 15 days leave. Her boss said, why you want 15 days leave? Then senior Burma said, my daughter Neha is appearing 10th board exam. Punjab board is 650 marks. It is not 500 mark or it is not 600 mark. It is 650 mark. It is tougher than other state boards. And my daughter is a topper. I want to stay with you. She said, the owner, the boss said, I will not give you salary. I will, because it is pandemic time, already you have lost your job. But if by taking the risk of your life, if you will ride it on the road, take and put my transports, I will give you your salary. If you will not work, then no work, no pay. Then his father came, he's telling what to do if my boss will fire me now. See generally now this is the pandemic time. Already there is no money in the house. You are a housewife. What I will do? Then Neha came, Pa, don't bother about me. This course, it is already in my hand. Reading is my hobby, Pa. I am doing reading not for the sake of, it is not a struggle for me. It is a hobby for me. It is a piece of work for me. It is a cakewalk. You go, take care of your health, take care of your life, stay safe, and go and do your job. While Neha was appearing the board exam, even that time her pa was not with her. Neha, helped by only her homemaker mother, when the result came, everybody took Neha to their shoulder, the whole class, the teachers came and they cut a big cake and the principal said proudly, I am proud of Neha Verma. Friends, Neha has secured 647 marks out of 650. She missed only 3 marks. And friends, Neha was so passionate that he said, to the reporters, I want to become an IPS officer. Now, why you want to become officers? I don't know. My parents want me to become an IPS officer. I want to honor my parents. What to do, I don't know. Then the reporter helped him. He said, do you want to serve the country by becoming an IPS officer? He said, of course, I will do. And so, friends, this is the struggle stories in a 12 by 12 feet house. These girls are looking after their dream. Bring the picture to Jharkhand and 12th standards result, friends. It came just yesterday. 12th standard arts, Jharkhand state topper. Nandita Hariwal. Nandita Hariwal, 17 years old, daughter of a tailor. Mother is housemaid, working in the different houses, earning her salary as a housemaid. And daughter is the Jharkhand state topper. Friends, there was no electricity in house. There was no communication. There was the patriarchal society's freedom where they say that the girl child is born to die in the kitchen. The male is superior, the female is inferior. There is gender disparity, gender discrimination. The girl childs are considered a liability. They are the highest side of infanticide in this country, in this state. The backward states, Maoist, extremist life itself is a risk. That stage, friends, Nandita Hariwal did not think of anything. She just focused on her study. It is the dream that counts, my dear friends. If the dream is crystal clear, then the struggle part is appearing as if it is a part of a dream. If the dream is not clear, then 1,000 excuses come. They say there are 1,000 excuses not to do something, but just one reason. So focus on that reason. Those 1,000 excuses will go itself. Nandita Hariwal's mother working from home to home, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Nandita's mother was coming and telling the landlords are behaving rudely. The landlords are telling, do this, do that, the lowest paid job, the lowest honor job of a housemaid, that also not in a city but in a state, and father, a poor tailor, a second-hand stitching shops. One day, he met the counselor, and he said, "Sir, I heard the government is giving free sewing machines to the tailors for their livelihood. Will you give me a certificate? I will go and get one." Reluctantly, the corporator gave a certificate. 40 kilometers. He even does not have a bicycle. 40 kilometers, her father walked. In the heat sun, in the month of February, just we went, he showed the certificate. They said, "You are late. Senior Hariwal, you are late. The stock is over. Now you go and come next year." Hariwal came back. No machine, even the sewing machine is rented from a friend to whom he needed to pay the rent. From time to time, he reminded that this machine is getting wearing and tearing, Hariwal, in that kind of situations, again Nandita gave the test, and he said, and he got 98.5%, 12th board hard stream topper, wants to go to DU and read there and become, a high-flying journalist, want to report the suffering of the people of this country. He want to help everybody. This is the stories, friends, of Rosni Badaria. This is the story of Nandita Hariwal, and also this is the story of Neha Verma. 3 sparkling stars in the sky among billions of the stars. Or I watch all billions of the stars, but our focus goes only to the 3 sparkling stars among 3 crore students. Friends, how many students are appearing the test, in the state of Uttar Pradesh, the most populous state of India. There are 36 lakh students in the 10th standard and 24 lakh students in the 12th. Maharashtra is 18 lakh students in the 12th, 16 lakh students in the 10th. Bihar, 18 lakh students in the 10th, 16 lakh students in the 12th. Rajasthan, West Bengal, Gujarat, 12 lakh students, all putting together, it is becoming 3 crore students, and above them crores, it is coming. This is the focus of our country, that is the CBSE. Friends, CBSE has broke the examination system pattern this year and created the biggest news in the 12th standard, where few exams could not be held because of pandemic. CBSE has made a new record. 39,000 students in 12th board CBSE scored above 90%, and 150,000 students has scored above 90%. So 150,000 plus 95% is 38,000. More than 2 lakh students has scored more than 90% out of 18 lakh students. Friends, here comes the biggest question which comes before this countryman. In this country of 130 crore people, there are only one Abdul Kalam, there is only one CNN Rao, only one K. Sivan, only one Tendulkar, only one Virat Kohli, only one Sundar Pichai, only one Satya Nadella, only one Shreya Ghoshal, only one Saina Nehwal, only one PV Pindu. Then where does those 150,000 students go after 5 years? Why don't we hear about them in the later stage of life? Will the glitter of the shining star fade away in the passage of time? Or is there a flaw in the examination system of our country? That question must be answered. Where are those students who secured 95% today? Where do they go after 5 years, after 10 years, in the afternoon of their life? Where do they go? Friends, on 24th August, on 24th August of 1990, on 24th August of 2019, the country was mesmerized. When K. Sivan, the chief of ISRO, hugged the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and on his shoulder he cried like a child. Narendra Modi was consoling, like he is consoling his own baby. Don't worry, Sivan, don't worry. And he's crying, he's crying. I failed, sir, I failed. K. Sivan, the Vikram, which could not land in the moon, 24th August 2019, Chandrayaan 2, the Vikram which missed moon. Friends, it missed moon by 2 miles only. Moon is 3 lakh kilometers away from Earth. It traveled. It missed by 2 miles only. 2 miles the Vikram did not go and it could not land. 95% success. 5% failure in Chandrayaan 2. And Sivan was crying on the shoulder of Prime Minister Narendra Modi like a child. And Prime Minister is consoling him as if he is consoling his own baby. As if the Prime Minister is consoling 138 babies of his own babies. He is telling, don't worry. You have done your best. You don't worry. Go ahead, make it happen next year, Sivan. Friends, Sivan did not have a sandal or a chappal to wear until he covered his college and school. Sivan attended the school. Sivan attended the college without a slipper. And when a journalist asked Sivan, sir, you did not have a chappal, then Sivan added, I did not have even a trouser. What you are talking about, chappal? I did not have even a trouser. By wearing the dhoti in my traditional Nagargoil district of Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu state, in the tradition of my state, I was wearing only one piece of dhoti. And there was no chappal, there was no trousers. By wearing the dhoti, without sandal, I went to school and I went to college. Friends, Sivan said proudly, that is the reason why my feet is today strong and my legs are today strong to take a bigger leap in my life. Friend, Sivan's father said to him, after scoring 10th standard in flying color, he said, don't go to a reputed college. You go to a college which is close to my home, so that before going to college, after coming from college, you will come and work with me as a laborer, as a farmer in my mango orchard. Sivan's father did not want to torture him. He did not have money. He wanted to save one cost of one labor. He wanted to save the cost of one labor, so that he can have a better life by saving the daily labor and by putting his own son in the work. Sivan was working from mango orchard before going to college. After coming back from the college, wearing the same dhoti in which he was going to college, and he was coming up, he said, Pa, I want to go to an engineering college. It is my dream to read aeronautical engineering. Pa said, forget about engineering college. I don't have any money to send you to engineering college. You cannot go to an engineering college. Sivan said, for hunger strike, he himself was telling in ISRO Bangalore, he sat down for hunger strike. For 7 days, Sivan did not eat food. Sivan did not drink water. Sivan did not leave the room. Sivan did not talk to anybody. For 7 days, hunger strike, fast up to death. Only one demand. I want to go to an engineering college and read aeronautical engineering. No money. Sivan was compelled to go and read BSc. BSc Mathematics, Sivan read. Later on, his father came and said, Sivan, I am sorry. Let me sell whatever I am having, but you go to Madras Institute of Technology in Madras and you do your aeronautical engineering there. Sivan completed his aeronautical engineering No job, only HAL, only one company in India giving jobs to aeronautical engineering, mechanical engineering, electronic engineering, civil engineering. Then, he was bound to go to Bangalore and read in Indian Institute of Science. He gave MTech. He wanted to do MTech in aeronautical engineering, and his projects he wanted to do. He gave Madras IIT entrance test MTech, and also IISc Bangalore MTech entrance test. He got both, but he chose IISc Bangalore, Indian Institute of Science. It is the highest of the India's topmost research institute. There he did project PSLV. Sivan completed that. Then there came the placement interview. There came, and he got the postman in Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in Kerala, and he gone to Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala. And Sivan has made. Then after, Sivan did not look back. He wanted to do aerodynamics field, but they were said, no, you are good for PSLV. It was your project, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV, Geo Satellite Launch Vehicle, which fondly Sivan said, the naughty boy, for 4 times back-to-back failure was happened until Sivan made it true. Then, friends, came 2017. 104 satellites back to back in the same year. Sivan made world record. India made world record. ISRO made world record. History has been made in the space history, in the aviation history. No country, neither US, nor Russia, nor China, no country could save 104 satellites back to back in the space within a limited space of time. Sivan said, my greatest challenge was that if one satellite will hit another satellite, then all satellites will hit another and everybody will fall down. There another fear was there, that separator was there, that was also moving by the power of gravity. Then they should not hit separator satellite, hit satellite to satellite, because 104 satellites has went in the limited time of gap. And friends, they said 5,000 different times of permutations and combinations Sivan had to do. 5,000 types of, combinations and the plus minus calculations Sivan do. It become a huge success. Chandrayaan 2 failed by 5%, my dear friends, but nevertheless, it is a great experience. The Sivan's dream is Gaganyaan. In Gaganyaan, Sivan wants to send to space ordinary. It is not astronauts, but you and me, healthy, good people, good health people, positive attitude people, ordinary people, citizens of India will go to space in Gaganyaan. 2022 was goal. Pandemic has pushed the goal maybe for a few years, but the time is coming. Sivan is bringing the time. Sivan is doing it. K. Sivan, the chief of ISRO, he was the star. See the backgrounds, friends. He did not get 95% in the 12th board. He did not get 90% in the 10th board. The journalist asked him, Sivan sir, who is your role model? And he said, we are reading in a highly localized school, localized college, small agenda. We even did not know that a concept like role models exist. The journalist said, but sir, today you are the role model of a billion Indian, and you are telling you did not have one role model of your own. Sivan said, what I will do? I did not know anything at that time. Friends, how about the failure? About failure, Sivan said a very interesting thing. He said, anything I wanted in my life as first choice, I did not get. Anything I wanted in the first choice of my life, I did not get. He wanted to read engineering. He has to go and read BSc Mathematics. He wanted to go work in Bangalore, but he said, no, you have to go and work in Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. He wanted to work for satellites, but he was sent for PSLV. Inside the PSLV, he wanted to do the aerodynamics, but they said, no, you work in PSLV. So, he made a fun of this one. And, Sivan's greatest quote was Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama said that when you are not able to get anything, sometimes that is your greatest luck. We say, I am unlucky, I did not get that. But Dalai Lama said, when you fail to get something, that may be sometimes your greatest luck. So, friends, coming to Sibans, coming to this last week, when 39,000 students secured 95% above in CBSE and 1,58,000 students secured above 90% in CBSE 12th board exam. You know, the historical exam, it has never happened. You know, who posted one tweet? You know, Nitin Sangwan. Nitin Sangwan, Deputy Municipal Commissioner of Ahmedabad Municipality, the CEO of Smart City Ahmedabad, IAS, he tweeted his own 12th standard CBSE mark sheet, which I request all of you to go to internet and see. Can you believe, friends? Chemistry 26, physics 33, math 71, Sanskrit 64, English 74. You know, 1 D grade, 2 C grades, 2 B grades, just 1 A grade for securing 74 in math. You know, friends, the biggest question comes now before us. If Nitin Sangwan could become an IAS officer and he is managing the smart city of Ahmedabad, the financial capital of the most advanced state of India, Gujarat, the home state of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is Gujarat, the most entrepreneur, the most industrialized, you know, the most business-oriented state of this country, and the most advanced, the most economically developed city of this country, the smart city of Ahmedabad, Deputy Municipal Commissioner of Ahmedabad. Is he less smart? Can anybody come and tell Nitin Sangwan, you are not smart? Then the next question comes immediately. If Nitin Sangwan was smart, why he did not get 99 in chemistry, 99 in physics? You know, friends, in this year's CBSE, there are students who got perfect 600 out of 600. Every subject 100 out of 100, English 100, Sanskrit 100, math 100, physics 100, chemistry 100, all subject 100 out of 100. The perfect score, the spick and span score. There are 2 students has got that 100% score, and there Nitin Sangwan. Now the question is coming, Nitin Sangwan, if you are smart, then why did you get so low score? Immediate question in a different manner. Nitin Sangwan, if you are not smart to get so low score, how you become an IAS officer who recently got, you know, the super grade promotion and become the CEO of Smart City Ahmedabad? Where does that intelligence, it was not there, from where does that intelligence came, that smartness came? You know, friends, what? The reply to this question, Nitin Sangwan himself said. Nitin Sangwan said that this mark sheet, this piece of paper, it does not carry any value in real life. Nitin Sangwan admonished the parents not to put pressure on their kids to fulfill their own, you know, the personal agenda. Nitin Sangwan said, I could have got the marks, but that was not my interest. My interest was not in science. My interest was in the skill development. My interest was to find the best and the brightest of my own talent getting up. When Nitin Sangwan was sent, posted to show his skill in Indian Administrative Service, he showed the skill there. And inside, after coming to the Indian Administrative Service, he got his promotions in the right manner for showing his sparkling intelligence. And you know, he got the super grade promotions and become the Deputy Municipal Commissioner. You know what we learn from Nitin Sangwan's life, friends? We learn from his life is that never ever force your kid to do something which he does not want to do. Friends, Today I will give you one of a very sad news, is that 20 students have killed themselves. 20 students have committed suicide in the IITs and IIMs of this country in the last 5 years. From 2015 to 2020, friends, 20 students has committed suicide in the IITs and IIMs. India's population is 18% of world population, but India's suicide rate is 28% of world population. In the year 2015, 38,000 students committed suicide. Before 2 years, in the coaching capital of India, Kota, 3 students committed suicide in 3 consecutive days. 19 students committed suicide in the coaching capital of Kota in 2019. You know, friends, 18 lakh students sit to take JEE, Joint Entrance Exam, main, advanced. Their parents' only dream is that I want to make my son to IIT. No, I will go to only my dream. I want to send my son to IIT. You know, the son comes to IIT. Out of 18 lakh students, only 6,000 students come to the best IITs of this country. You know, friends, now what happened? Then IIM. 5 lakh students go and give to the Indian Institute of Management, A, B, C, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta. You know, friends, IIT, IIM, they think America's brightest software giants will come and take my son, recruit my son, you know, in the San Jose of the California, my son will earn in dollars and his salary will come at 2 crore rupees plus bonus shares. You know, the media highlighted the front page of Times of India, the placement, first day, highest salary, you know, Microsoft, Oracle, Dell, 2 crore, all these. Parents get fascinated out of that. Then they push the students to the brink of anything. Then the student, without asking even one time the student, what do you want to become in your life? They say, no, IIT, I want to go to the IIT medical. They live in the Kota, 15-year-old child, without understanding her psychological balance, without helping her, without doing anything. They just send her in a building. There are rooms are there which they call it hostel, the private hostels. The owner of the building herself is the warden of this hostel, and you know, the child gets the stress because there are 8 hours of the bone breaking coaching, followed by 2 hours of doubt clearance, followed by 2 hours of test, and then the homework. You know, out of 24 hours, if one day missed, 1 week gone. If 1 week gone, 1 month gone, year gone, career finished. Depends upon just one day. Then friends, irrespective of everything, after getting that, the son reaches IIT. The son reaches IIT. Wow, thank God. Instead of thanking to the son for doing the hard work, these parents started thanking to God. And you know, with coconut, banana, with the milk of the bowl of milk, they reached the temples. They go from one temple to one chapel. You know, friends, that is there. Then they forget about the son. They forget that the IIT, the son got IIT in a controlled environment. In a controlled environment, it is easier to perform because parents' guidance was there, the coaching class was there, home environment was there. In a triangle of this education, home, and the personal life, the student goes to the IIT because he is below 18 years old. He goes to the coaching class and he comes home, he reads and to the go. When the lion is in the zoo, you know, if he and the mutton is given to him, the lion gets food and eats. But when the lion is in the jungle, you know, he has to go and do hard work to earn his meal. Every morning when the lion gets up in the jungle, he needs, if today I will not run fast, then I will die hungry. And the same thought the deer is thinking. The deer is thinking, if today I will not run fast, then I will become the meal of the lion. And you know that competition is going on. So the student, after leaving the home, he reaches the IIT, in the coaching class, the professor puts him and tells him, it is 2 years, son. It is 2 years. You give your 2 years, then you reach IIT. All your dreams will go fulfilled. Then the son reaches IIT, 100% hostel. You know, the jungle, the lion has come to the open jungle. There is nobody, no hookup parents, no hookup professors, nothing inside all the campus. You know, the beautiful lake is flowing. Then the forest is there. All the jungles are there. He is the bird, is the flying bird of the open sky. Wow, IIT. Then he started thinking, what are the things I could not do from my childhood? He takes a guitar and tells it, he goes, I want to leave, give me some sunshine, give me some, he takes a chalk piece and go and painting the roads as a hobby. He starts singing. Somebody stayed and said, I want to become a stand-up comedian. I did not want to go IIT. My parents had forced. Everybody come and said, I did not want to go to IIT. My parents had forced me. I wanted to become a stand-up comedian. There are very few, only how many Nitish Tiwari are there? Getting 6th grade. Nitish Tiwari has got, his CGPA was only 6, but he was the director of the movie Dangal. 1,400 crore worldwide collection, including China. How many Chetan Bhagats are there? IIT Delhi alumni, IIT Ahmedabad alumni. Celebrate author. The screenplay, the award-winning screenplay writer of Kai Poche. The award-winning screenplay writer of the story, of Two States, super hit. How many Chetan Bhagats and how many Nitish Tiwaris are there, but there are also 20 unfortunate children are there who give the notes. I was seeing all kinds of, the Google images of the notes that the boys left of the suicide boy. Tears came out of my eye. Somebody said, sorry, Papa and Mommy, I disappointed you. Somebody wrote, sorry, Dad and Mom, I convinced myself not to kill myself, but I could not remain. Somebody said, thank you, friends, my life was great, but I think it is not worth living more. Somebody wrote, I quit. Somebody said, I could not make it. Friends, this is why it happened. If it is a dream of 3 crore students of this country to go to IIT, after coming to IIT, what change happened in that life of that student, which because of what he committed suicide? Such a big step he took. He ended his life. After that, which face the parents will show to the society? Before the society, they were showing their 56-inch and telling, wow, my son is in IIT, how did he do it? He was, throughout her life, he was a class topper. How much prestige we got because of our son. And there, what happened? Because friends, they have to understand that IIT is not the final destination of life. Which IIT Dr. Abdul Kalam will go? Which IIT K.C.1 go? Which IIT Satya Nadella go? No, they did not go to IIT. Still, they become the celebrated scientist. 3 months only went to school. Thomas Alva Edison, 1,000 inventions, including gramophone and electric bulb. The world should have remained in the darkness till now had Thomas Alva Edison has not invented electric bulb. Friends, I will tell you about the story of my daughter now. My daughter was among those 18 lakh students who went to IIT. But I have said her, I said her, Smruti, I want to send you to IIT because I know these parents are making so of, I am a government servant. It is not having, there are more, not the so big of my resources are there and also, but I want to send there. They say it is hard work. Will you do it? You are already a class topper, or you think it is not, He said, yeah, Papa, I will do my daughter. I am so proud of her. She is a real 1,000 carat diamond, He's so great child, so great baby. She said, I will do it. And she did it. She reached where she wanted to go, the best IITs in this country. What I did, friends, every alternative day from my house, 25 kilometers to her hostel with home cooked food, spicy, delicious food which was her choice. After coming, doing hard work from the office, taking bath, having my, tiffin by 7 o'clock in the night, I started going her, reached there by 9 o'clock to the hostel. She's not in the hostel, she's in the library. Hey, I am coming to library, 26 acres, Bombay, IIT, sometimes walking, but I don't have any regrets. My daughter is happy. She said, oh, don't worry, Papa, nothing happened. These faculties, nothing, leave it. I will do it, whatever. I said, your grade, CGPA, cumulative performance index, you forget. You enjoy your life. We will see what is happening later on. I never put stress on her, never put pressure on her, but my pressure was indirect. When she was looking that her father, 50 years old, carrying in a tiffin carrier homemade food, he is bringing only to give his daughter a nice food because she does not like that without spice, the mess food. The mess food not going to mess. No, not eating in the mess, money paid, not eating the mess because mess food is not tasty. And I am taking her spice food, paneer manchurian, palau, puri, chole, all her things are there, veg, non-veg, all kinds of things I am taking. Hostel, in another hostel, Papa, I am in the library. Go library. Another 3 kilometers inside the darkness, reaching there, but happiness. Darkness was outside, but happiness was inside. Reaching their library. He said, Pa, I was in the library, but for 5 minutes ago, I reached in the SAC, Student Activity Center. I said, don't worry, I am coming. By the time I reach Student Activity Center, it is 10 p.m. He's coming, he will open the food in front of me only. He will take 5-6 minutes. Thank you. And while I was giving her and while coming back, I am asking that PA is where? Surprise test and those quiz and all are, it is there. It is a little bit of pressure, but in a different direction. I just asked where it was there. Then, it is a kind of telepathy to telepathy. She understood that the father who is doing that extra miles is coming all the way in the crowded Mumbai local trains, and from the nearest station to the campus is another 5 kilometers. Inside the campus, another 3 kilometers. Then 10 o'clock leaving, 25 miles coming back, reaching home sharp 12 midnight. Full of happiness, I have given food to my daughter who is living in hostel. Same city, but hostel. No, you enjoy your freedom, but I am here to stand with you, shoulder to shoulder. Friend, she did that and she said, job. I said, no. Job, J-O-B, just obey boss. Job don't take. You are the IITian. Go and become a scientist. Today, she is in the best, scientific lab of the world and doing her all kinds of, her research papers are coming. 1 month, one research paper getting published. The Cloers, Science Digest, Thomson Reuters, all big publishers are publishing her papers. I am on the top of the world. Then friends, the story did not end here. The story did not end here. My younger daughter, I took her one day to IIT, and I took her to the hostel. On the top floor of the hostel, one side of the lake is, one side of the beautiful Powai lake is there. Another side, the Samir Hill is there. New high rises are there, and there I came here. Then I brought her to a very good restaurant. In that restaurant, I order all of her favorite foods, and she was enjoying her favorite foods. Halfway, I put in her ear a word. I said, "Look, Ananya, you also come here. See, this there. You have all the highways open for you. The coaching class is there, and all study material is there. Didi is there to help you. I know a lot of our friends, they are coming. Highway is putting. If you come here, I will become a free. He is also there. You are also there. Both of them, you and your mommy. I will go and dance, supersonic. Go, come here. He said, no, I don't want to come here. Friends, that food I could not eat. Her mother started crying. What to do? How to? He's not coming to tell IIT, the dream of the 3 crore Indian students, and she is telling not to come. What to do? Mom started crying, become sad, everything sad. That tasty food appeared to me insipid. I could not eat, she could not eat. I came here. Then next day morning only, her mother said, if not IIT, then definitely it is medical. I insist, now go to medical, another coaching class, that coaching class entrance exam she gave, and she got in a 70% scholarship. Only 30% money paid. 30% money paid, that go, then coaching class, she said, no, your board is not qualified for this one. We take of only CBSE boards. SSC boards not allowed. I said, but at the time of entrance, you did not say, when you called and said you gave the rose of your regional head came and gave a rose, you did not say. And now you are saying, I said, what to do? I said, what to do? Then another coaching class I put, she said, faculty is not good, they are not teaching. Every month that age coming, it is not a government like that. Once job got means it is confirmed. That was coaching class. The feedback form comes every month. If the students write adverse remark in the feedback form, the teacher is changed, Then they keep on changing that. That parents called me and said, but the name is not written. The teacher will not able to know whose student has not given. But the numbers are counted. If out of 10 students, 8 said not required, then the teacher will lose his job, is fired. Then friends, he said, then somebody said me, if this branch teacher, its head branch is there in Andheri, you go to Andheri head branch is good one. And from my house to that place, I traveled every alternative day. I traveled to give company to my daughter. How many years there are gone? This 1.5 hour one way after the class. She said, I am not satisfied. These fellows are what is it? Then I came to know about that. I studied the psychology. I came to know that she does not want to go in a traditional light. I came to know her how she is talking. I asked her about the questions about society. I came to know that she has strong opinions about a lot of things, about our social system, about our social structure, about the patriarchal systems, how the people are showing hypocrisy by taking the milk and the coconut and banana. They go to the temple, they sit in the same temple and they gossip there. They fill their mind with the dirty gossips, but they are telling we are going to the temples. How the people are celebrating this 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, the festival, which is a complete waste of everything. And he said, I asked him hundreds of questions about the hypocrisy. What is your opinion? How can you change this? What do you want to do? Then at the end, I asked him, The most important question, it was the spine chilling question of my life. I asked, Ananya, do you want to read ads and want to become a TV reporter? Holding a microphone in your life, you want to give this speech so that the whole world will watch you. CNN, BBC, NDTV, do you want to go there? He said, yes, I am interested. I can do that. I like that. Yes, I will do that. I said, yes. Her mother protested. She said, no, this is not like that. I said, she does not want to do what you want. See, it is not 19th century, it is not 20th century, it is 21st century. If a child is good, I said the same story, which in the Rancho Das he said in 3 Idiots to his friend Farhan Qureshi. He was telling Farhan, if Lata Mangeshkar was told to become a pace cricketer, bowler and batsman, and Sachin Tendulkar was forced to become a singer, could they become legends in their field? You follow your passion, success will automatically follow to you. I said to him, you see, you follow the passion. If she is showing passionate for the arts, put her in the arts. Why you will put her in the science? Friend, she got 98 in maths. She got 98 in maths and she got 94 in 12th standard maths. But I put her another question. St. Xavier's. St. Xavier's is the most reputed college in Mumbai. The lowest cutoff was of St. Xavier's in general category was 93.4. Anybody who got less than 470 out of 500 is not entered. Close. If you will get to go to St. Xavier's Junior College, then only you are allowed to go to arts. He said, done. I take the challenge. She did not sleep for 3 months during her board exam. Sleeping by putting her head on the desk, waking up, not changing the dress. I am on leave. Mother 12 hours, father 12 hours. Even when she was sleeping, we are watching her, whether she properly slept, whether she got her pillow, whether the AC is over, functioning so that we close the AC and put the fan in the 1 or 2 regulated manner. Even if it is hot, then put the AC. If she is properly covered, everything we are watching her from A to Z. And when the results came, she got 95% and went to Xavier's and friends, the way she is doing. And Xavier's, that great college, faculty, but students are great. Everywhere in this country, the students are great, but faculty, because of our system, the regular job, permanent. That permanent tag, the moment it got to him, they become reckless. Nobody comes to do. Friends, in the countries like United States, there is no concept like permanent. It is a tenure. And the remuneration, it does not come from monthly salary. It comes from the grants. It comes from the grants given by the entrepreneurs, given by the commercial firms, the grants given by the biggest manufacturer. So the industry university combination. Look at coronavirus. Who is working? Oxford University, Russian University. All these universities are working for their. See, in India, who is doing? In India, Bharat Biotech is doing with ICMR. Where is the Indian universities working there? No, because our university faculty. Friends, the regular job, permanent. That concept of regular, that concept of permanent, it itself has a lot of controversial things. So friends, this is my own life story. What I want to tell you, friends, is that we should not put pressure on their friend, and we should not be carried away by a single mark sheet which you get after 10th or 12th board exams. And we should not make, the parents should not make it a prestige issue. Like that is the Kapoor Saab will tell what, in the Three Idiots, the Farhan Quraysh's father, he saw, look, that hole, there one AC was there. I removed that AC and put in Farhan's room, because Farhan will do what, and read well and go to the biggest, the engineering college in this country. And now, the Sahab the Lord is telling she want to become a natural photographer. Her passion is to do natural photography and not the placement she is not going to accept. But friends, this is the real stories of the life. They have proved. Chetan Bhagat, how many people know Chetan Bhagat today? It's billion people Chetan Bhagat know. She's writing fantastic novel. She quit the job after reading from IIT Delhi and IIM Ahmedabad, doing very high profile job in Singapore. When she was writing a novel in the Singapore, secretly, because her bosses would have fired him, her bosses came to know because he did not come to her office. They called him. They called into office and they said, fired. Fortunately, the Chetan did a very nice job. Her wife is also an alumni of IIM, and she, on the basis of her job, she came to India and living in Delhi today. She has written, fantastic novels, screenplay of movies. And like that, Nitish Tiwari, there is her wife or husband duo, her wife, Mrs. Tiwari, Ayer Tiwari is also a fantastic director. Both of them are making movies. The last movie which he made, that was the Chichore. The Chichore was telling, Tiwari was telling that it was an autobiographical movie. It made, unfortunately, Sushant Singh Rajput did a fantastic role in that movie as the hero of that one. He was the IITian in that movie. That hostel number 10 and 15 which was shot in that movie, it was closed. I loved him so much, Sushant, but unfortunately, you left us in this world. Friends, all the suicidal stories I said, Sushant is on the top of that story. 7 films, super hit. He has got all the credits of his life. Super big, Kai Poche, award winnings, PK, super hit movies, very good emotional, passionate actions which he has done. And that Shuddha Desi Romance, that movie, he was doing a path breaking, he was flooding from the marriage altar, going to then I am going to bathroom, society is changing. That time only when he was in the top of the form, he left us for the heavenly award. Friends, the morals of the story is that we should not think, or we should widen our horizon from the visions of this one. Friends, this is one of the major complaints that the students of the IITs make is that is the English. Because they come to the IIT, having strictly the English teaching, but while they were 10th and 12th, sometimes they are in English medium, sometimes they are not in English medium, and even if they are in English medium, they frequently mix the other languages, and the coaching class teachers' main focus was that the concept of the song should be get clear instead of language. But when they come to the IIT, that language get him confused. They are not able to know what the prof is telling. And the prof is not ready to look into the heart of the he is on that one only. Then what happened, that English, I will tell you today, friends, as a part of my English teaching, which is my passion, and which also my daughters also love this one so much. Friends, I will tell you today, there are 2 types of verbs are there. One is regular verb, another is irregular verb. Regular verb is a verb which ends with the word ed in the past tense and past participle. Love, loved, loved. Work, worked, worked. Paint, painted, painted. Basic form is paint. Past tense, painted. Past participle, also painted. Basic form, work. Past tense, worked. Past participle, also worked. Only the letter ed is added at the end of the word. That is called regular verb. but there is irregular verb is there. In irregular verb, the past tense and past participle does not end with ed. Take for example, there are sit, 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 past tense, sat, sat, past participle, again sat, sat. Ring, 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 past tense, rang, ring. Past participle, rang, ring. Friends, there are three types of irregular verbs are there. In the irregular verb, one type of irregular verb, the form remains same. Second type of irregular verb, the form changes only once, but two times the form remains same. Third type of irregular form two times all forms are changed, nothing is same. Three types of irregular verbs are there. In first types of irregular verb, the basic form remains same throughout the past tense and past participle. In the second type of term, only twice the form changes, but once the basic form remains same. And third one, nothing remains same. Take for example, 1. Take for example, certain irregular verbs in which the forms does not change. Take for example, bet, 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 past tense also bet, past participle also bet, bet. The principal of Ludhiana's college bet with her colleague about Neha Verma's result. The principal of Ludhiana's college bet with her college. This is the past tense. The principal of the college had bet with her college, past participle. The principal of the college bets with her college is the basic form, does not change. Now come the burst. Nandita Hariwal bursts into tears of joy after hearing her result. This is burst is the present. Nandita Hariwal burst into tears of joy, past tense. Nandita Hariwal had burst into tears of the joy, past participle. Burst does not change, B-U-R-S-T. Friends, cut. C-U-T, cut. Rosni cut the cake into 4 parts, past tense. Rosni had cut the cake and fed to her friends. Rosni cuts the cake and fed to her friends. All cut, C-U-T, cut, no changes. The basic form, past tense and past participle. Hit. Rosni's father hit her. Rosni's father hit her is the past tense. Rosni's father hits her is the basic form. Rosni's father has hit her is the past participle. Hot, H-U-R-T, hot, basic form hot. Nandita Hariwal's mother's landlord hurts her mother, basic form. Nandita's mother's landlady hurt Nandita's mother, past tense. Nandita's landlord has hurt her mother, past participle. Hurt does not change. Set, let, L-E-T, let, no change. Present tense, the teachers allowed Rosni. The teachers of the school let Rosni appear the entrance test. The teachers of the school let Rosni appear the entrance test. This is past tense, L-E-T. The teachers of the school had let Rosni, past participle. Teachers of the school lets Rosni is the basic form. P-U-T, put, no change. Basic form, put. Past tense, put. Past participle, put. Sachin Tendulkar put her bat in a lovely manner. Sachin Tendulkar puts the ball in a proper place. Sachin Tendulkar put the ball in a proper place. Sachin Tendulkar has put the ball in a proper place. The put does not end. Red. R-E-A-D, red. Nandita Hariwal, red. With lantern sometimes in her life. Nandita Hariwal had red, R-E-A-D, with a lantern sometimes in her life. Nandita reads with a lantern sometimes, no change. Nandita read with a lantern sometimes, R-E-A-D, 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 no change with basic form, past participle. Set. Nandita's teacher sets tough paper. Nandita's teacher set tough paper. Nandita's teacher has set tough paper. Set, no change. Spread. Nandita spread her time proportionately among all subjects. Nandita spreads her time proportionately among all subjects. Nandita has spread her time proportionately among all subjects. Spread, no change. Neha split her time according to timetable. S-P-L-I-T, split. No change. Past tense split. Past participle split. Basic form is also split. Nandita split her time proportionately. Split, spread, sit, shot. The gangster shots the landlord. S-H-O-T, shot. No change. S-H-O-T, shot. No change in the past participle. The gangster had shot the landlord. And there, this is the Neha shots into the glory. Friends, this is the irregular verbs in which the basic form, past tense and past participle, no change. Then there is irregular verbs in which basic form remains same and this changes only one time change. That is no change. This is one time change. This is called bit. B-E-A-T, bit. Basic form. Past tense also B-E-A-T, bit. And past participle bitten. If you think you are bitten, you are. That is the past participle. India beat China in the final hockey of Asia Cup. This is B-E-A-T, beat is the past tense. Then no one can beat oneself than himself. Beat, bitten. Only one time change, two times basic form and past tense remains same. Then become, became. Again become in past participle. Nandita becomes nervous when the exam comes. Nandita became nervous when the exam comes. Nandita has become nervous when the exam comes. Become. Then called bend. Neha Verma does not bend in her life. Neha Verma bend if there is a need. Neha Verma has bent. There is a, bend, bent, B-E-N-D, bend, B-E-N-T, bent, B-E-N-T, bent. Bring, B-R-I-N-G, bring, brought. Bring became only one time change, brought. Rosni brings glorious news for the Chambal Valley for the first time in history. Brings. Rosni brought glorious news for the Chambal Valley for the first time in the history of Madhya Pradesh. Then past participle. Rosni has brought glorious news in the Chambal Valley for the first time in the history of Madhya Pradesh. Built. Rosni's father builds farming lands. Rosni's father has built farmlands. Roshni's father built farm range. B-U-I-L-D, build. Become. B-U-I-L-T, built. And also B-U-I-L-T, built in past tense, only one time change. Then born. Mary Com's father borns Mary's boxing gloves. B-U-R-N, born. It changed one time. Bornt. B-U-R-N-T, bornt. Become in past tense. Mary Com's father angrily burnt Mary's boxing gloves. Mary Com's father had burnt Mary's boxing gloves. Born become born and born. B-U-Y, boy, becomes bought. B-O-U-G-S-T, again become bought. You know, Rani Rampal buys expensive watch. Rani Rampal bought an expensive watch in Singapore. Rani Rampal has bought an expensive watch in Singapore. B-U-Y becomes B-O-U-G-S-T. B-O-U-G-S-T. Then becomes catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Suresh Raina catches the ball nicely. Suresh Raina cut the ball nicely. Suresh Raina had cut the ball nicely in Chennai IPL. You know, friends, catch become catch, cut. Then becomes creep. C-R-E-E-P, creep. You know, the plant seeded by Roshni creeps well. The plant seeded by Roshni crept well. The plant seeded by Roshni has crept well. Creep becomes C-R-E-P-T, C-R-E-P-T. Come. C-O-M-E, come. Become came. Again become come. I have come. Is past tense. Past participle. I came. Past tense. Then I come. Is the basic form. Then friends, dig. Roshni digs her mind deeply to study maths. Basic form. Roshni dug his mind. D-U-G. Again, Roshni has dug her thought to find the solution to a math problem. D-I-G, dig, become D-U-G and D-U-G. One time change only. Earlier we saw no change. This time one time only change. Dream, D-R-E-M, dream, become dreamt and dreamt. Roshni has dreamt of becoming an IAS officer. Roshni dreams of becoming an IAS officer. Roshni dreamt of becoming an IAS officer. Dream become dreamt, basic form present and present participle. Then friends, feed. F-E-D, feed become fed. F-E-D, fed and F-E-D, fed. One time change. Rani Rampal feeds 100 people daily during coronavirus. Rani Rampal fed 100 people yesterday during coronavirus. Rani Rampal has fed hundreds of people during COVID-19. Feed become feed. Fight. Mary Com fights magnificently. So-called magnificent Mary. Mary Com fought magnificently. Mary Com had fought magnificently in the world championship. Fight becomes fought and fought. Similarly, find becomes found and found. Neha Verma finds her dream. Neha Verma found her dream. Neha Verma has found her dreams. Friends, hold. H-O-L-D, hold becomes H-E-L-D, held, and H-E-L-D, held. You know, World Cup qualifying match was held in Kalinga Stadium of Bhubaneswar, past participle. World Championship qualifying round held in Bhubaneswar, past tense. Then Bhubaneswar holds World Championship qualifying match in women's hockey. Hold become held and held, only one time change. Then friends, pay, P-A-Y, pay. Pay become paid and paid. Neha Verma's father pays very difficultly her monthly rent. Neha Verma's father has paid the tuition fees with great difficulty, has paid past participle. Neha Verma's father paid her tuition fees with great difficulty. Then lose, L-O-S-E, lose become lost. Rosni loses her weight while studying hard. Rosni lost her weight. Rosni has lost her weight for studying hardly. Then friends, leave, L-E-A-V, leave. Leave become left and left. Rosni left home in her bicycle. Rosni left home in bicycle. Rosni has left home in bicycle. Rosni leaves home in bicycle. Then friends, swing. Rani Rampal swings into action and hit a goal. Swing becomes swung. S-W-U-N-G. Rani Rampal swung into action and hit a goal. Then Rani Rampal had swung into action and hit the crucial goal in Kalinga Stadium of Bhubaneswar. Swing become swung and also swing becomes swung. And so friends, teach become taught and taught.